7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We have a red day in the market right here. Guys, Bitcoin is still in that range. Bitcoin has been in the range for the last 10 days. It has been between $28,693 to as high as $30,700. Bitcoin has been bouncing in that range. We're still at that range. We'll be talking about that. We're taking a look at the general crypto market cap. And guys, is this what is playing out right here? Are we at the last point of supply? Is that why Bitcoin is stuck at 30k? We'll be talking about that. We'll be looking at some other news article going around in the world of crypto. And guys, we'll also be looking at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization and the top gainers and losers in the last 24 hours. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. So guys, we have a very red day in the crypto market today. You can see that in the last 24 hours, a lot of these coins are down. FTM is down 15%, RON is down 11%, Luna is down 14%, ApeCoin is down 12%, and that's the recurring theme in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. If we go to the top 200, almost the same story, just some few coins in green. And the top 300, top 400, the general market is actually down today, and all this is on Bitcoin, guys. Why? Bitcoin is still stuck in this range of hell. At some point in time in the future, guys, we're going to actually break to the upside violently and to liquidate all the shorts, or we're going to break to the downside. But in the last 10 days, I've been following Bitcoin. If I put it on the 1 hour time frame, you can see how crazy this is. Bitcoin has just been stuck in the range. The only time it got out of that range, it was forced back in. Somebody dumped it. The person that is guarding this line is actually a pro. Somebody is holding us down below 30,000. That means there are plenty of sell orders above 30,000 for us to literally blast through 30,000. And we have to actually see a lot of volume coming in. And right now, there's not any volume coming in the market, so we're just range bound, going between 30,000 and 28,000. And Bitcoin is telling the story for the whole market. Now, if Bitcoin start pumping, the whole market will take off. But right now, guys, Bitcoin is actually stalling, and it's not as if Bitcoin wants to stall, guys. We're deep into the bull run, and we're probably even deep into the bear market. A lot of people are arguing that we actually topped. Bitcoin topped February or at most May 2021. And if we topped in May 2021, guys, it means we've been in the bear market for at least 379 days. And some people are arguing that the bottom is actually in. I still believe there's still one more push to the downside. I might be wrong, guys. It might just be I'm being a greedy bear and I want cheaper prices. Yes, I will be happy if the prices go up to the moon. And normally we'll see this kind of charts. You actually see the prices come down to test this low, this $1 trillion region and total crypto market cap. People will get very, very bearish. Then we'll pump back to around this $1.5 trillion market cap region, and that will be like a 50-70% pump generally in the market. People will get very bullish again, and then we'll finally come down for the final purge. For Bitcoin to be something like Bitcoin pumping to around maybe even as high as $37,000, get people very, very bullish, and then we'll come and drop below $25,000. But I feel we'll still come back to this $25,000 region in the future. That one looks inevitable at this point in time, and I'm finding it hard to believe that Bitcoin will crash straight from 48,000 to 25,000 without coming back to touch 25,000, just to be sure that we've actually cleared that region. Current Bitcoin setup creates an interesting risk to reward situation for bulls. Right now, it looks as if you buy now that the market is fearful. In the future, it will actually make kind of sense that you're buying now, because right now the price of Bitcoin is kind of stable. In the last 10 days, we have just been trading in a range, and you all know what they always say: be brave when most are fearful. And guys, right now the market is actually in extreme fear. Sentiment in the market is actually at absolute low. We have been in fear for months on end right now. Me myself included, I didn't know that we could go this long in fear. But guys, the bear market is actually proving that we can go this long in fear. Since the turn of the year, we have actually gotten just as high as 50 on the fear and greed index, just less than 10 times. On March, 2nd of March, we were there. On the ending of March, when Bitcoin got to as high as 48k, we actually even got to 60. People were shouting 50k next. Bitcoin got to 48,000. Everybody was bullish, and you can see that since the 28th of March 2022, we have been going downward on the fear and greed index. And the same thing with the price action. The price action on Bitcoin has just been red day every day. Well, this is 9 consecutive week of red candles. If you go on the weekly chart, you see that Bitcoin is setting new unwanted record. This is going to be the 9th consecutive week of red candles, and the way it's looking, we might actually end that 10 weeks. But guys, the more red candles we have, you know that at some point in time we are going to have green candles, and sellers are going to get exhausted in the market. They can't keep selling forever. It's called a bear market for a reason. Yes, the bear market, there's a lot of selling involved, but at the same time, those people that are selling to new hands, and those new hands are going to hold at least till the are in profit. So, but we have to see max pain in the market. I don't think we have seen max pain yet. A lot of people are so comfortable thinking the bottom is in, and we have to see max pain. A lot of the altcoins are still high. Guys, go to total crypto market cap. If you go on the weekly, you can see that the total crypto market cap is still high from the low of the market. From the low of the market, you can see that total crypto market cap got as high as over 3,000%, and right now it's still up 1,200%. That's still very high. In the last bear market, you see the total crypto market cap lost over 87% of its value. Right now, from the all-time high around $3 trillion, we came down as low as 64%. When I'm recording this video, it's down 59%. We can still get to as low as 80% plus. We can actually get to as low as 87%. This would be where I think total crypto market cap we actually settle at around $400 billion region. Bitcoin will get below 20k. I can see that happening in the future. That will not be out of the realms of possibility. The US dollar currency index is actually turning on itself. That's what we want to see. Anytime it turns on itself, we actually see increase in the price of Bitcoin. Right now, that's a good sign. But is the bottom in? That's a question a lot of us want to answer. And I don't think the bottom is in right now. And I don't think the US dollar currency index is just going to fall in a straight line. Just the same way it didn't pump in a straight line. It's going to waddle down, go up, come down, and just get people confused. It's going to do what the market does. That's what the market, see, even here in 2020, we didn't just go down in a straight line. We had this period in time from March 2020 till around May 2020. And if you go on the Bitcoin price chart for that period in time, what Bitcoin doing at that period in time? Bitcoin was just grinding up slowly. And so is that what's happening right now? Only time will tell. Guys, I saw this interesting chart. I was just sitting, I was thinking of Wyckoff distribution pattern. I was like, I hope Bitcoin is not actually doing this. And if you look at this chart and look at the Bitcoin price chart, there's so many similarities with what is happening right now. Let me put it on the 1 day so that you can see it clearly. Just very, very shocking how there's so many similarities with what's happening right now. Guys, the European Central Bank warns that crypto risks will spill over into wider economy. Just after the Terra Luna UST situation, right now, European Central Bank is actually warning that the effects will actually spill into the economy. If you live in Nigeria, you live in any of these countries that the central bank has banned crypto, the argument for it is that crypto takes money out of the economy and doesn't necessarily bring it back. And when you lose it all in crypto, the economy suffers. And European Central Bank are actually warning against that because a lot of people lost their life savings in the Terra Luna situation. Guys, Bitcoin dives to fill CME gaps amid claims new all-time high will take 2 years. A lot of people are claiming we might not see a new Bitcoin all-time high till 2024. Right now, it looks like we're actually in the bear market. People are actually just concerned, where's the bottom in? Let's find the bottom first before we actually start thinking about higher prices. But a lot of people are predicting that for us to get a new all-time high, we actually have to pass the next Bitcoin halving. And we're not actually close to the next Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is happening in 2024. If the dollar is turning on itself, are we going to see higher prices for Bitcoin? Do we have to wait 2 years before we see a $70,000 Bitcoin? Don't forget, guys, Bitcoin got to as high as 69,000 in the last bull run. El Salvador Bitcoin play. What does current slump mean for adoption? Will the slump of Bitcoin right now slow down the adoption of Bitcoin in El Salvador? You know, El Salvador is the first country to legalize Bitcoin as a legal tender. They have been making major moves to enlighten their population about Bitcoin and cryptos. In the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, guys, sitting at number 1, we have Bitcoin. Number 2, we have Ethereum. Number 3, we have USD Theta. USDC is back at number 4. Binance was briefly number 4 yesterday. Number 5, we have BNB. Number 6, XRP. Number 7 is BUSD, growing by size every day. Number 8 is Cardano ADA. Number 9, Solana. And number 10, Doge, making up the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. The global crypto market cap is still at $1.25 trillion. The gainers and the losers in the top 100 coins in the last 24 hours. Phantom, ARV, Weave, and Avac are the top losers in the last 24 hours. We have Tron, Tezo, Monero, and Stacks. They are the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Guys, we're still in Bitcoin season. We'll still be in Bitcoin season for this foreseeable future till we'll find the bottom of the market and altcoins start bleeding. Then we might probably start going to alt season. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.